Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're gonna have a look at how to merge cells in Google Sheets. I prepared two examples here. The first one is this large grid, and with this grid I can easily show you how you can merge cells in Google Sheets. The second example here is like a real-world example. We have different students. Here are the student names, we have subjects and also grades. And as you can see here, the subjects should be in the middle of all these different subjects. It just looks way off here on the very left hand side, and I would like to have it in the middle. And for these kind of use cases, it's great if you merge cells so you can place the text wherever you need it. But let's first have a look at the different options. There's two ways to merge cells in Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you both. And also there's different options when you are merging in Google Sheets. Alright, let's get started with this grid here. The first thing you always do is you mark what you would like to merge. So let's say I want to merge all of this grid. I just highlight everything so all the cells are selected. Then in the ribbon, this is this line here, there's a lot of icons. There is one icon for merging that I'm going to show you right here. So this one is the merge cells icon, and I can just simply click on it and it will merge the cells. As you can see now, it's one big block of white, and I could write something in here now, cell, as an example, and then I can just align it to the middle, and I align it, vertical align it here also to the center, and you have text in the center now, because I merged all of these cells into one. Alright, just go a few steps back to show you again what else you can do. So I mark all the cells, and now I can also use the drop down here because I can select the merge type, because there, as I mentioned, there's there's different types of merging. So I can merge all, as I did before, it just merges everything together. But I can also merge vertically and horizontally. Let me show you how that looks like once I've done it. So if I merge vertically, I should get like 4 columns. And yeah, I've done it now. And as you can see now, we have 4 columns. We can then add text in each of these columns, and I could align it as well, again as I did before. So this was merged vertically, and now we go back and I show you what happens when you merge horizontally. Well, just get back here. Alright, now we have the grid again. I go on the icon, select merge type now with the drop down, and now I merge horizontally. So now each row is merged. I have many different rows, and all the cells here in each of these rows are merged together. So all these cells are merged now. That is if you merge horizontally. Right, this was the first way. There's also a second way to merge. Oh, just need to go back because I want to have this example again. There's a second way if you go through the menu. So let's have a look at the second example. I want to have this subjects in the center. So what I do is I mark all the cells that I want to merge, and then I go onto format, I suppose it is. Yes, it is format. And here we have an option for merging. Below font size, you have the option merge cells. And as you can see again, you have the same options as before. The ones that don't make sense based on what you chose are grayed out. Here what makes most sense is merge horizontally. And now I click on that in this second menu. And as you can see now, all these 3 cells are merged into one horizontally. And now I just need to move the subjects into the center, and I do that as I did before. I'm going to horizontally align it to the center. And yeah, that's already it. We now have the subjects in the center and just right above English, Math and Science. Yeah, these are the two ways how to merge cells in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please give it a like. follow our channel and also hit the notification bell so you will always be notified when new tutorials are coming out. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and thank you so much for watching. See you again soon, and goodbye. Bye bye.